Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming me packing my carry-on bag for everything I'm going to be taking to Europe with me this summer. So pretty much my plan for the year is I'm going to leave college like any day now, and I'm going to take all my bags and I'm going to fly over to Norway, and I'm just going to be spending an entire month just traveling around Europe, mostly Scandinavia. And I thought it'd be a really good idea if I just showed you guys what kind of stuff I'd be packing in my carry-on, because we all want to know what we can pack in a carry-on size bag to go to Europe, because getting a checked bag is really expensive and kind of inconvenient. So I figured I would just put it all in a carry-on bag, and that's why I decided to make this video, because I think everyone deserves a chance to know how to pack a month's worth of things into the smallest bag imaginable. Packing tips, travel hacks, all that stuff is going to be right here in this video, so stick around for that. Alright, so that was everything that I packed in my carry-on bag for Europe this summer. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button below. I post new videos every week, and I will be uploading videos about my travels in Europe pretty soon now. So if you are interested in finding out all the places I'm going to be going with this carry-on bag of mine, then I suggest you subscribe to my channel right away. Alright, bye guys!